Suppose say this is not really bad earphones. They were just created for a specific purpose. And if it works for you, then this is great headphones for you to use. But if you're using it for the reasons why I told you, then it's not. Now, when it comes to the quality of them and the construction, putting them on, it's pretty good. This doesn't actually, you can't take it out. So if something happens and this gets messed up, you can't actually replace it. That's not good. Some of them come with this, you can take it out, and that's good. Now, it is very comfortable putting it on the ears. I like the way it actually feels. And it does have, this is not leather, and that's a good thing. You don't want this to be leather. In the cheaper Sony ones, this was leather, and after a while, I haven't even used them for that fact. I have been having them in a while in a desk, and the Sonys just disintegrated right here. And I was like, hell, I'm getting rid of it, and I did. So that's one thing about those that is good. This is good material, and the best part, you can potentially, maybe you can replace it. It looks like you can try to take it out. No, nope, it looks like it is stuck in place here. That's sad, because if something goes wrong, well, you have to replace the whole entire thing. That's how a lot of them are built nowadays. This is some kind of a man-made leather. I don't think this is going to stand the age of time over here. This is going to go bad after a while. I had my experience with them. This is Ninja. This is definitely Ninja material. That is for sure. Ninja is because you can hear everything. You can hear everything very soft in the actual video or audio, whatever you're listening to. This is exactly what you need. If you are an audiophile, you're listening to stuff, you really want to get the biggest, like the highest quality of sound that you can hear. No, this is not what you want. But if you want to hear the most, every single noise, back of noise, like any kind of like a little bit sound, like those things that people miss. This will be it. Like a Ninja, you can hear stuff that you're not supposed to be hearing, and it's gonna really mess your music experience. If you're listening to this like, hey, I'm gonna enjoy some awesome tunes and relax, no, just no, this is not gonna be cutting it for you. You'll be like, this is terrible, this is the worst headphones I ever had. So this is specific for a very specific job, and this is great for it. It works exactly what it's supposed to do. But if you're getting it for anything else, you're gonna be totally disappointed, and you're gonna hate it. You're not gonna like it. So that being said, I give this a 10 on the beauty scale. I will give it a 7 for what it's supposed to be doing, because I don't think it's the best for what it's supposed to do. And I give it only a 4 for music and sound and overall entertainment experience, because this is going to be terrible. It's going to be like the worst headphones you ever purchased for that specific reason. So keep that in mind before you buy this. Listen to other reviews about it. This thing is shit. That being said, it's not bad for what it is. And with that being said, say goodbye to those phones, because they're going right back to the store I bought them in, because they suck.